Hello, and welcome to today's open house for the Performing Arts Center. My name is Goral. I'm the new district administrator for the Denmark School District. And as a past alumni, I'm actually a little jealous of looking at the facilities and seeing all the cool, neat things and the opportunity that this facility is going to offer for our current students and students to come. I can't tell you how excited I am to see this project come to fruition.
We had over 2 years of work have gone in by so many people, the board, the staff, the contractors, from beginning of designing all of this, and now seeing that picture come together, all the buildings is what makes people, I think, excited. I know I'm excited, my kids are starting to talk about how they'll be in that school someday, that new gym. What's that atrium going to look like inside, Dan? It's exciting. I'm excited for the community, I'm excited for our school and our staff, just to see how it's going to be something now that's put in place, and for generations to come, we're just going to have some nice new facilities.
By adding the facilities, it seems to bring that interest again, that, oh, look at Denmark, what are they doing down there? They passed a referendum, increases the interest in Denmark. People are willing to come and take a look, and it also, I think, really showcases that we do a great job with, and we're also a very progressive district. We're moving forward. We're not afraid to take chances and to improve. And so I think it sends a positive message to everybody in the Green Bay area that Denmark does a great job, it's a welcoming environment, and they're also looking to the future and looking for what's best for the students.
I think one thing this project does that we didn't have before, it gives students who, we had many great opportunities for kids in Denmark prior to this, but it gets to take the next step. There's a little bit more practice time, there's better space to practice, whether it's our performing arts area or whether it's our new athletic area. There's just areas now in time and space to get on those areas and really lift it to the next level.
It is clear that we have an extremely good educational system here, an extremely good community. And I think the idea is always moving from good to great. And we're always going to have that passion and that growth mindset. And having the new facilities and the new opportunities here in the performing arts, over in the AG, the athletic center, whatever it may be, is going to give our staff and our students the opportunities to, take on new challenges, to expand our learning experiences, and to really have the support of the community and grow as we need to. So I think looking forward, the opportunities are endless with what we currently have and what we look forward to doing in our district.
I would say, compared to what the students have had previously, which would be kind of a stage that was set in kind of a cafeteria, they now have a full-fledged auditorium, and that just opens up all the students' minds and eyes to the world of theater, because when you get out there in the real world, a lot of times they're doing performances in auditoriums, and a lot of these students haven't had experience with that yet. So having these new facilities, they can see what it's like to have the sound booth within an auditorium. They can see the seats in the audience. They see how the seats kind of go up a little bit. They just see all the acoustic areas of the theater. So just getting that first base knowledge of what it's like to step into a theater, perform on a theatrical stage, will be a totally new perspective for the students. I'm really excited for them to get in there and get that experience.
In the right venue, I believe that students can really bring out the best of themselves. And now that we have a performing arts facility that has that enhanced lighting, enhanced sound, and the proper seating where people can see this, I think it's just going to bring out the best of our Denmark high school, middle school, and elementary students to a new level. Watch out, Denmark. This is going to be a great venue.
Thank you for this. And this. There goes to all this.
Thank you, Denmark.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Denmark.
Thank you.